Hi, welcome to a2zknowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about a product idea which is rent your parking. So that is an idea here. So this product might be the idea might be very familiar for a few people, but for others I'm gonna explain this. So how can we implement this idea and what the revenue that we can make as both user as well as the product owner? So that is what we are going to discuss. So before we start into this, I just want to tell you something. So now today, like, we have a lot of services in online, like cab booking, or you want to book your food, or fashion and design, or you want to do carpooling. So we have so many things has come in online. So here people are making kind of a win-win situation here. So even to rent a flat or a house or a villa, so you go for some online booking apps, right? So here comes the idea. So I have my parking here and I don't have my four-wheeler with me, so my parking is empty. I have only the two-wheeler. So my house is surrounded by some malls and theaters actually. So one of my friend asked my parking for a few hours. So that is the time suddenly I got an idea. So we do have such apps where I can rent my parking. So I just searched in Play Store. But I got some apps, but that is not in service with respect to India as of now I have seen, which is there in UK and US. So maybe I may be wrong, but you can check either. So here comes the idea. So I can build a product. For example, what are the main services I need to build an app? You need a location service, you need a payment gateway service, and you need some services for searching algorithms and booking algorithms. So that's what you need to do. If you sit for some months and you can able to build such a product, actually speaking. So here, how come a user, when rent a parking, he will get a revenue? So for example, if you go for a mall, you have to pay like 100 to 50 rupees per hour. And you can ask me, we do have a private parking. So private parking concept is totally different. Private parking is a commercial and they are doing that as a business. You have to rent a place and you have to pay for it, and then you have to pay for the electricity, commercial electricity bill, and then you have to pay for your taxes as well. But what I am saying is not a commercial parking, the rent parking. So it means you are giving parking for rent. It is something, a personalized stuff that you are giving for a rent. So it's totally different. So when I say this to people immediately come with the topic, we do have a private parking. So that is different. Plus the private parking is mainly, I have seen so many private parkings are there for two-wheelers but not for four-wheelers. So here comes, you can, what private parking and the parking inside the malls and theaters they will do. In malls and theaters, if they give parking per hour for 50 rupees to 100, the private parking used to give a discount of 50%. But you can even give less than that, so that people can really come to your personal flats or home where you can give parking. So imagine there is a mall nearby my house and people are ready to occupy some free places wherever they see, right? So here I can legalize it. So I'm giving my parking for rent. So for example, you give for 1 hour, you are charging for 10 rupees or even 5 rupees. So in a day, we have, like, for example, if people come for a movie, they have some 4 to 5 shows in a day, right? From morning till 12 p.m. Right? So you can 3 to 4 times you can give your parking for rent, and you can earn like 80 to 100 rupees per day, and hardly in a month you can earn like around minimum of 5,000 rupees. You can for sure you can earn just your parking is free and you are getting 5,000 rupees per month. So I have seen some people who used to give their parking rent for months and they used to charge only 500 rupees. But here you can earn more than that. You can give it for hours, or you can give it for weeks, or you can give it for months, and these options need to be enabled in the app. So it's a win-win situation for the user and the product owner. Now I am the owner of the product, and how I'm going to make money. So for each and every transaction that you do, I will be taking a commission. So now I'm also earning the money. Now I also give advertisements, and also I will be sharing all your public information with my partners. So here it's a win-win situation for all of us. And some people, I have even asked to do them, like people who owns a car, they never used to go in a car for a movie or a mall, because I used to ask one of my friend last week, like they have done like this. They booked a cab. I just asked him, so you have a car, but why you go for a cab? So he told me, like, first I need to feed my car, then I have to go for parking. So it cost completely for up and down, it will be like 400 rupees. But if I go in a cab, so it will be like 300 to 200 rupees, plus I do have offers, and I'm not going to drive my car. So I'll be sitting freely in back seat, and then it won't be any physical work. I don't want to search for parking. So here comes, even people are ready to go with their car, but the thing is, they don't want to get trouble with the parkings. And they even ready to pay. But if the pay is very less and people are happy to go with their car instead of booking cab, even though you have a car, right? So yeah, these are all some business things that we need to consider before we invent a product, because we need to really see like whether I can able to sell my product, people will use my product or not. It's not like idea came, so I implemented it, no customers. No, not like that. You have to analyze. So these are some points that I have analyzed. It's giving the win-win situation for users as well as the product owner. So you people, if you have a kind of a talent to implement this with your skill sets, you can implement an app and you can release it. So thanks for watching A2ZKnowledge.com. This is an idea I just want to share with you, and if you really like this video, subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. We have a lot of tech videos other than this ideas in my channel, practical videos. So just take a look on it. So we provide videos in 2 languages, English and Tamil. So thanks for watching A2ZKnowledge.com. So we do have a lot of idea videos, and I have shared that link in the playlist link in the description box of this video. Just go and watch it. Thanks for watching.